Is this worth it? 1972 Chevrolet Cayenne. Super full custom. 178,850. Available in North Vancouver. Let me know what you guys think. You can buy a Ferrari for this much. This is a real ad. The salesman says, "Hi, I'm Steve. I like long walks on the beach and raspberry mimosas." Not. But I do like this truck. Look at this beast. Now that I have your attention, contact me. Come see it before it's gone. Let's have a laugh and you get a good deal. We finance everyone and we have the most competitive prices in Canada. And we love our customers. Dealer license is down below. Not affiliated.